Meet Petoneer Ez Go Pet Fountain. Hydration redefined by innovation. 2-liter capacity. Week-long hydration. 4-stage filtration. PP cotton, KDF, activated carbon, and ion exchange resin. Smart water level sensor, safeguarding against dry running. Frosted see-through perfection. App control. Stay in command, anywhere, anytime. Uninterrupted hydration, even during power outages. Intuitive with visual LED indicator. Noise cancelling, whisper quiet. Effortlessly detachable. Minimal design, maximum convenience. Hydration made effortless. Wireless pump fountain quenching whiskers with perfection.